Hello and welcome back to another review, and today I'll be trying out the new Malteser Rocky Road. Got these from Asda and they were £2.50. They're on offer now at £2, so it's not too bad. You get 4 in this. Malteser Rocky Road, Indulgent Chocolate Rocky Road, packed with crunchy Maltesers. Each is 42 grams and it comes in at 219 calories. They're in the ingredients. Pause if you like for the allergens, which is wheat, milk, and I think there's some gluten in there. Soya. They're the nutritional information. And yeah, let's get into these. Let's try to try these. If you like a nice rocky road, especially Malteser rocky road, and that's what it looks like. You've seen nice little Malteser bits, some biscuits in there, and some marshmallows. So let's try a taste test. Oh yeah, they're real nice. Definitely get that nice flavour of Malteser with the marsh chocolate. Oh yeah, and then you get that crunchiness of the biscuit, followed by that chewiness of the marshmallow. Yeah, definitely. I'd recommend picking these up if you're in Asda. Go and check them out. And I'll see you on the next video. Feel free to subscribe.